Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or are like video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And please make sure press the bell icon. So you told another amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please watch this video to end. And then don't miss another amazing video designs and decorations. So guys, I am back with another beautiful idea about birthday cake decorations for baby boys, girls. Here are some amazing, delicious and beautiful eye-catching cake decorating ideas that suit both babies' party decoration ideas. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. If you're new to my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video. How to decorate your cake with a beautiful way. I provide you simple ideas for your cake that is most essential, that is most creative. I hope you like this design and I hope you enjoy my video. The creativity I mentioned on my YouTube video. Thank you so much guys for watching my cake designs. If you are interested in these types of design, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoy my cake designs. I hope you love my cake designs. I hope you love the creativity of designs. Thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video and collecting my beautiful channel in this collection, in these designs. Thank you so much guys. And I hope this design, this creativity are fantastic. And I hope this video is very authentic and creative for you. Beautiful video and beautiful ideas. If you are interested in these types of design, in these types of video, then please like, share, comment on my YouTube video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Cake decorating ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decoration ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. All the designs are very unique and trending. If you like more ideas, specific decorating tips, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. These decorations bring the excitement of birthday person's life and make the party unforgettable. These designs are very unique. If you like any designs and if you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.